Hi, if you need to replace a fuse in your Volvo XC60, for example for your 12 volt outlet in your car, you will have to reach to the cabin fuse box, which is located on the passenger's side. So you need to open passenger's door, go to the footwell, and over there you will find a small black plastic cover. There are two clips on the sides, you need to squeeze them and the cover goes out. You can see on the one side that you have a description of all fuses, and on the other side is a map of the fuse location. And when you replace the fuse, just put the cover back on and check if your device is working correctly. Okay, that was just a quick update on the location of fuses in Volvo XC60. Give me a thumbs up if this video helped you, and check my other tutorials for Volvo and other brands. See you soon.